warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rulia Jakartini. It is to be your master of ceremony in this beautiful project, with them mobile phone app to improve your English skill. First of all, let's say thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has been giving us guidance, happiness, healthy, and mercy. And participate in this webinar without any obstacle. Praise and salutation upon our Prophet Muhammad SAW, the best figure of this universe who has brought us to the path of light from the darkness in this life. The Honorable Mrs. Diah Krishnawati as the lecturer of Business English. Once again, we thank you for the present, Mr. and Mrs., and welcome to all the audience of the webinar today. In this beautiful moment, I would like to welcome Arin Evita Junior, Siti Naharani Fauzia, and Zahratul Mukarramah Ismaini, who will be the presenter at our webinar today. Ladies and gentlemen, before we begin, I want to say that globalization and technological development have given us many positive impacts, one of which is by improving our English skills with mobile apps. Here, we will discuss related matters about mobile phones that influence your English skills because there are so many positive things that we can do to improve our English skills. And later the presenter will provide application recommendation to improve your English skills. Ladies and gentlemen, the next agenda is I immediately invite our first presenter, Arin Evita Junior, to give her knowledge. Please welcome Arin Evita Junior.
Thank you, MC Ajung, for the chance. Hello, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arin Evita Junior. As the first presenter in this webinar, I will deliver the topic about Grammarly. So if you are curious, please pay attention. But before I go to the topic, can anyone give your opinion about Grammarly? Maybe you can explain about Grammarly as far as you know, or maybe you heard for somewhere. If you want to give your opinion, you can use the right hand feature and turn on the microphone.
Hello, my name is Dina, and as far I know, Grammarly is an application to check if our grammar is right or wrong and the real description for the right word, right?
Yep, thank you for the question. It is right that Grammarly is to check our grammar, but Grammarly is an app or extension for your browser that checks your grammar, spelling, plagiarism, and more in real time on a number of different platforms, including Microsoft Word, WordPress, Facebook, and more. The function Grammarly product makes sure everything you type not only upholds accurate spelling, function, and grammar, but is also clear, compelling, and easy to read. Grammarly suggestions help identify and replace complicated sentences with more efficient ones, refresh repetitive language, and straighten your writing to say what you really mean. Grammarly's algorithm flags potential issues in the text and makes context-specific suggestions to help with grammar, spelling, and usage, word-nice style, punctuation, tone, and even plagiarism. Grammarly suggestions explain the reasoning behind each suggestion so you can make an informed decision about whether and how to straighten an aspect of your writing. And how does Grammarly work? Grammarly is easy to use. Once you add it to your browser or download it, and after that you just need to enable it on your device. Its IA system automatically analyzes your writing and flags the word phrases or sentences that need correction or improvement. Areas that need improvement are easy to spot with the red and yellow underlines, marking the words for sentences that are either incorrect or can be improved. Not only that, but it sentences and constructions. Depending on the type of account you have, just refining your content quality while teaching you how to improve your writing skills. Whether you are a skilled communicator, professional writer, beginner, or non-native English speaker, Grammarly caters to you. It allows you to personalize your account according to your level of writing skill, the type of work you do, and your background. Yeah, I think that's very enough for me, and that's all I can convey to you all. And then I'll return to the MC Azam. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to Arin for the knowledge. Let's keep on the next agenda. Next material will be delivered by Siti Naharani Fauzia. Please welcome Siti Naharani Fauzia.
Thank you, MC. Hello, everyone. Let me Rani Fauzia as the second presenter in this webinar. You can call me Rani. I will deliver the topic about Google Translate. I will explain about a mobile application that is useful to upgrade our English skills. Let me introduce you to Google Translate. Maybe you guys are familiar with this application, but I will explain to you a little bit more. Google Translate is a multilingual neural machine translation service developed by Google to translate text, document, and website from one language into another. Next slide, please. Google Translate also has many functions. It can translate multiple forms of text and media, which includes text, speech, and text within still or moving image. Specifically, its functions include written word app translation, website translation, document translation, speech translation, mobile apps translation, image translation, handwritten translation, bilingual conversation translation, and transcription. Before I go to the next material, I want to ask the audience, maybe some of you are familiar with this application or you usually use it in the web version. Do you find it helpful with all the features that Google Translate has? You can use raise hand feature and turn on your microphone to answer the question. Yes, Sehan.
Hello, my name is Sehan. Yes, I feel very helpful with all the future. It's really helped to develop English skill in my daily life or my assignment. I feel that the feature are very useful to those who need to learn more about English skill.
Yes, it's true, Mr. Shehan. In addition, okay, maybe next slide, please. In addition, there are some features that support you to develop your English skill. For some language, Google Translate can synthesize speech from text, and in certain pairs, it is possible to highlight specific corresponding words and phrase between the source and target text. Results are sometimes shown with dictionary information below the translation box, but it is not a dictionary and has been shown to invent translation in all languages for words it does not recognize. If the text language is selected, text in an unknown language can be automatically identified. That's all I have to say. Sorry if there are mistakes. I return to the MC. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to Rani for the knowledge. Moving on the next agenda, the last material will be present by Zaratul Mukaroma Isnaini. Please welcome Zaratul Mukaroma Isnaini.
Thank you, MC, for the chance. Please, next slide. Hello, everyone. Let me introduce myself. I'm Zahratul Mukarrama Isnani as the third presenter in this webinar. I will deliver the topic about Duolingo. Let me introduce you to the Duolingo mobile application that is very useful and complete to upgrade your English skill. Duolingo is the most popular language learning platform and the most downloaded education application in the world with 300 million users. Duolingo is designed to feel like a game and scientifically proven to be effective. In addition to its core platform, the company created the Duolingo English Test, an affordable and convenient language certification option that is accepted by thousands of institutions. How to use Duolingo? First, create an account. Second, choose language you would like to learn. Third, choose your skill. And fourth, set a goal. Learning in Duolingo. After completing registration, we will be directed to choose what type of language we want to learn. We will also be invited to improve language skill through various tests such as 2 levels of basic tests, place, food, animal names, place in foreign language, color name, conjunction, and various other basic tests. In each language, we will learn the foreign language is divided into 8 categories, each containing 50 different lessons. The initial learning process will certainly be filled with easy material with increasing level of difficulty. If we pass some subject matter, we will get bonus reward to advance to the next level. In every test lesson in Duolingo, we have 4 life that must be maintained so as not to return the initial test. Other feature. First, discussion tools. The forum can be a good resource for answering questions, finding supplemental material, or simple connecting with other users. Second, follow friends. If you would like to follow someone else's progress, navigate to their profile, click the blue Add Friends button at the top of the page. From then on, you will be following that person's progress. You can see how many points that you've accumulated on the leaderboard at the right of your skill tree. Third, use Duolingo stories if it's available in your language. They are only available in French, German, Spanish, and Portuguese. Stories give you an opportunity to read and listen your language. If you complete one set of stories, you will be able to unlock the next set. Enough for me. Sorry if there are mistakes. Then I will return to the MC. Thank you.
Thank you, to Zahra, for the knowledge. Now we are sharing session to all the audience who want to ask. Please raise your hand and turn on your mic. Okay, for Sehan, please ask.
I want to ask the presenter Zahratul, can using the Duolingo application be effective, improve our English? If not, is 3 a way to make the effective? Thank you.
Okay, I will answer it. Yes, Duolingo can be effective to improve our English. Duolingo will be effective if you choose a class that suits your ability. When you set a target seriously, you can take advantage of other features in learning, such as discussion and following friends. This will really help us in practicing English skill directly. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Sehan and Rani. Next question from Tina. For Tina, please ask your question.
Okay, I want to ask Presenter Ari. Apart from this application to validate our English grammar, is there any other Grammarly function?
Thank you, Tina, for the question. That Grammarly has these tools that can play significant roles. First, there's a plagiarism checker. These tools run and compares your content through academic database and more than 16 million web pages to make sure that what you're writing is human proofreader. If you are still not confident with what you have written, even after editing and proofreading it using Grammarly tools, human intervention is your last resort. In situations such as this, Grammarly professional proofreaders are always willing to help check your work. And the last one, Grammarly has the handbook. Grammarly has the book bring us back to the basic of synthesis, construction, and usher us forward to more complex elements and mechanics of composition. These features are accessible to all users and can. Thank you, Vina.
I see. Thank you, Arin.
Okay, all the questions have been answered. Thank you very much to our presenters, Arin, Rani, and Zahro, to give us knowledge. And once again, thank you to all the audience who have asked an amazing question. May it be useful in our daily life. Finally, from the deepest of my heart, let me apologize for our mistake in presenting this webinar. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day, everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.